Divakaran. I belong to a village in Wayanad district. Ever since the inception of this center of M.S. Swaminathan Research Foundation, I have been associating with it on several aspects. The main thing that attracted me was the way in which the center used to study about the biodiversity and the conservation aspects of Wayanad and the Nilagiri biosphere. This center has, because of the working of this center, an awareness has been created in the society about the conservation aspects. Because a lot of training programs and exposures were arranged by the center to the common people of this place. Main thing that my contribution to the center was a preparation of a biodiversity register in Poludana Panchayat. As a pupils planning program, a full-scale program of preparing a biodiversity register, recording the various details of biodiversity in Poludana was conducted over a period of 2-3 months. It took nearly 2-3 months to prepare that register. And this center helped us not only in providing the scientific hands for identifying various aspects of biodiversity, both flora and fauna, and also in funding to prepare that register. That register is still a valuable document as far as we are concerned. In fact, none of the other panchayats in Wayanad has prepared such a register in such details. Another thing that attracted me was about the way in which this center used to do a lot of training for the livelihood aspects of and the empowering of women groups in various aspects of the livelihood activity. The thing is that the plants which are at the verge of extinction, they could identify and they could propagate a lot of plants which are these RET plants, known as RET plants, red, endangered and threatened species, were collected from various places by the scientists of this center. And it was, propagated at the nurseries of this center and given to the local community for planting them in their places. Such an most creative activity, I would say, that about the farmers' rights and that aspect. A lot of awareness classes were taken, and the farmers were able to understand the various aspects of that act. And so similarly, the tribal communities activities based on their livelihood, food security aspects and all that. And another thing was about the tuber crops, that many of the tuber, especially in the diascorea, like that, such crops were the varieties. There are a lot of varieties are available in Wayanad. Species were available in Wayanad. They were identified and collected from various places of Wayanad, and a program was conceived and practiced by this center to propagate them by distributing the seeds to the local communities, especially among the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. So that has helped to see that some of these extinct varieties were collected and now conserved in various colonies of scheduled tribes.